Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Zuzu All-in-One. First of all, Merry Christmas to all my viewers. Let our 2021 year be the happiest one, hopefully. From today onwards, I shall be starting study-related videos. And the topic that I have selected today is SSC State Maharashtra Board Algebra, that is Maths Part 1. So this is the textbook of Maths Part 1. Please open it. So I'm putting the today's date, that is 25/12/20, and I'm going to start with lesson number 1, that is linear equations in two variables. Now we have already studied linear equations in one variable in 9th standard. Okay, variables means alphabets. So when numbers and alphabets comes together, they are going to form linear equations. Now you have to form the proper general form of the equation, that is ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. Your equation should always be in this form. Okay. Now I'm going to start with practice set 1.1 of your textbook, page number 4. Okay, this is on the page number 4 of your textbook. I'll read the sum. Complete the following activity to solve the simultaneous equation. First equation is given as 5x plus 3y is equal to 9, and second equation is given as 2x minus 3y is equals to 12. Now let's add equations 1 and 2. That is this equation and this equation. So when I add 9 by 12, I get the answer as 21. Plus 3 and minus 3y gets cancelled, and 5 plus 2 is 7x. So x is equals to, you can see the number is 21 in front of x. I'm writing 21, and the number with x goes down. So I'm writing 7 in the lower box. Then I can do the cancellation. 7 ones are 7 threes are. So finally I get x as 3. Now place x is equals to 3 in equation 1. So instead of, I know the first equation is 5x plus 3y is equals to 9. So instead of x, now I have to write 3. So I'll write 5 into 3 plus 3y is equal to 9. So 3y is equals to 9 minus 15. 5 3s is 15. So I'm writing directly 15 here. So 9 minus 15 is 6, but I'll take the sign of the greater number, that is minus. So it becomes minus 3 upon, minus 6 upon 3. 3 comes below. So again I do the calculations. 3 ones are, 3 twos are. So I get the answer y is equals to minus 2. And in the end, it's compulsory to write the solution, that is x and y coordinates. Whatever you have got, don't forget to put them in the boxes. So x we got as minus 2, y, and always in the solution write the x coordinate first, that is 3, and in the y write the second one, that is minus y. So this finishes your first sum. I hope you have understood the first sum. Now we'll go to question number 2. Solve the following simultaneous equations. The first sum says 3a plus 5b is equal to 26 and a plus 5b is equal to 22. So first thing that we are going to do is we are going to mark the equations as 1 and a plus 5b is equal to 22 as 2. So this is the first step. After that we will see if we have the numbers in common. So yes, I have 5b in common, and I can see that both are positive. So to get cancelled, I need to subtract them. So I'm going to subtract them. Subtracting equation. Now which is the smaller one? The second equation is smaller one. So I'll write equation 2 from 1. Then write the equations. 3a plus 5b is equal to 26 and a plus 5b is equal to 22. Don't forget to change the sign because we are doing subtraction. 5b gets cancelled. 26 minus 22 is 4, and 3 minus 1, nothing is there, means 1 is there. So 3 minus 1 is 2a. So a will be what? 4. A के सामने 4 है, so we'll take 4, and the number which is with a comes down. 2 ones are 2 twos are. Therefore a I got as 2. I will put it in the box. Now I'm going to substitute the value of a in equation 1. You can take any equation, but I am considering equation 1. So what was my equation 1? 3a plus 5b is equal to 26. So 3 instead of a, now I'm going to write 2. So 3 into 2 plus 5b is equal to 26. So 6 plus 5b is equal to 26. So 5b will be 26. This 6 comes here, so it becomes minus. So 5 will be 20. B will be 20 upon 5. 5 ones are, 5 fours are. So B will be 4. So again I am putting it in the box. So now I have to write the solution or the answer. I'll write a comma b. Remember a का ही value first लिखना है, 2,4. So I hope you understood the first sum. I am going to the second sum. It says x plus 7y is equals to 10 and 3x minus 2y is equals to 7. So first step is you have to write the equations and give them the number. So I am giving this as number 1 and this equation as number 2. Now again I have to see if numbers are anything with the variable is common. I can see nothing is common, so I am going to multiply equation 2 by 3. Why? So that this x factor becomes same. So what I am doing, I am multiplying equation 1 by 3. So what will I get? 3x plus 3 sevens are 21y, 3 tens are 30. So I got the new equation. So now I can compare equation 2 and equation 3. I can see 3 is common, so 3 will get cancelled. So again both are plus, so I need to subtract. So I am going to subtract the equation. Now let me see which are the bigger numbers. Equation 3 has bigger numbers, so I am going to subtract equation 2, the lower number, from the bigger one. So first I will write equation 3 up, and then I will write equation 2 below it. After that I have to change the signs and I'll do the cancellation for the x because they are same numbers. Now I have to consider the new sign. So 21 plus 2 will give me 23y, and 30 minus 7 again will give me 23. So now I'm going to find the value of y. So y will be 23 upon 23. Cancel ones are. Therefore I got y as 1. I'm putting it in the box. Now I'm substituting y is equal to 1 in equation 1 again. So what is equation 1? Yes, it is x plus 7y is equals to 10. So x plus 7, instead of y I'll write 1 is equals to 10. So 7 ones are, 7 is equals to 10. So x will be 10. The 7 goes here, it becomes minus 7. So x becomes 3. So I got both the values. So I'll write the solution or the answer. X comma y is equals to 3 comma 1. Remember x is 3. So 3 will come first. Hope you have understood the second sum. I am moving on to the third sum now. 2x minus 3y is equals to 9 and 2x plus y is equals to 13. Now I am going to put the numbers. 2x minus 3y, I am going to give it equation 1, and 2x plus y is equals to 13. I am going to give it the equation 2. Now again I am going to check. Yes, I have 2 common here and both are plus, so I am going to do subtraction. So that's my decision. And then I'll see which one is the smaller. 1 is smaller, so subtracting equation 1 from 2. Yes, good going. So I'll write equation 2 up, and then I'll write equation 1 below it, and I have to change the sign. यहाँ पे minus है इसलिए मैंने plus लिखा है, and then 2 gets cancelled. So 3y plus y will give me 4y, and 13 minus 9 will give me 4. So y will be 4 upon 4. 4 ones are, 4 ones are. Therefore y I got it as 1. I am going to put it in the box. Okay, now I'm going to put or substitute the value of y is equals to 1 in equation 2. Let us put this time in equation 2. You can put in 1 also. There is absolutely nothing wrong in it. So I'm taking equation 2. Okay, and now instead of y, I have to write 1, which I already written. So now this time 2x will be 13. Now this 1 goes here, it becomes minus 1. So 2x becomes 12, x becomes 12 upon 2, 2 1s are, 2 6 are. So x I got it as 6. I'm going to put it in the box. And as I told you, you have to write the answer x comma y is equals to x value first, that is 6 comma 1. Hope you have understood the third sum. Now I'm moving on to the fourth. 5m minus 3n is equals to 19 and m minus 6n. Okay, so proceeding with it, first we will mark equation 1 and second as equation 2. Again, I can see no similarities, so I'm going to multiply equation 2. You can do either by multiplying equation 2 by 5 or you can multiply equation 1 by 2. So the number 2 is smaller, so I'll go for the first one, that is multiplying equation 1 by 2. So what I'll get, 5 2s are 10m minus 6n is equals to 19 2s are, so that's 38. So I'm marking it as equation 3. Now I'll compare 2 and 3. I can see minus 6 common. Again, both have the same sign. So again, I have to go for subtraction. Now if I am doing subtraction, let me see which is the smaller one, 2. So subtracting equation 2 from 3. So I'll write equation 3 up. 10m minus 6n is equals to 38. And m minus 6n is equals to minus 7. Now I need to change the signs. Okay, so 6 and 6n gets cancelled. 10 minus 1 gives me 9m. So I get 45. 38 plus 7. So m is equals to 45 upon 9. 9 1s are, 9 5s are. Therefore m I got it as 9. I'll put it in the box. Now again I'm substituting m is equals to 5 in equation 2. You can, again I'm repeating, you can put it in equation 1 also. So I'm putting it in equation 2. So instead of m I'm going to write 5. 6n is equals to minus 7. 6n is equals to minus 5. And this 5 comes here, so it becomes minus 5. So 6n is equals to minus becomes plus, but I'll write it minus, so I'll put 12. Then minus sign gets cancelled. N will be 12 upon 6. 6 1s are, 6 2s are. So n is equals to 2. So then I have to write the answer m comma n. So m is 5, n is 2.